Congratulations on your recent Küat product purchase. We are stoked you are part of the family. Here's a quick video to help walk you through the assembly of your Pivot XD. Read the user guide before starting the assembly. Locate and audit the provided parts. Lay them out for easier assembly. Slide the Pivot XD into your vehicle hitch port. Align the hitch pin holes. Secure with provided hitch lock. Pro tip: push the Pivot XD into the hitch to pinch the hitch pin. Fully tighten the cam system using the provided 8mm security Allen. Install your bike rack or accessory into the hitch port of the Pivot XD. Align the hitch pin holes. Secure the hitch pin or threaded hitch pin. Tighten the cam system on your bike rack or accessory product. To swing the Pivot XD arm out, open the oversized lever to release the clasp. This will also allow the safety pin to slide freely. Pull the safety pin tab out and downward to align the safety pin vertically. Slide the safety pin up and out of the pivot. This will allow the arm to swing freely. Open the arm to the desired 90-degree or 120-degree position. Secure into place by aligning pre-drilled holes on the top plate with the pre-drilled holes on the arm. Place the safety pin into position on the desired arm position. To close the Pivot XD, remove the safety pin, shut the arm, and replace the pin into the original position. Position the tab on the safety pin by pulling down and out to the side. Close the oversized lever to clasp the safety pin into place. If you find your Pivot XD lever difficult to latch or too easy to unlatch, it may be necessary to adjust the clamping force. This is accomplished by slightly loosening or tightening the bolt located inside the lever handle. A minimum Class 3 hitch is required to use the Pivot XD. When using a Küat rack, limit the amount of trays to 3. Weight carried further from the hitch will increase the tension on your vehicle's hitch. The maximum hauling weight is 350 pounds when keeping the weight within 28 inches of the accessory hitch pin. The maximum weight drops to 250 pounds when extending past 40 inches from the accessory hitch pin. It is important to check your vehicle or hitch manufacturer for exact tongue weight details. If you have any questions while assembling this product, reach out to our customer service team by calling 877-822-5828 and be sure to register your product using the information provided in your box. Don't forget, this product is covered by our No Worries Limited Warranty. We've got your rack and your back.